Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 8 count of batteries. They are 3600 milliamps right here. They are rechargeable. So these ones are super good for me. In my case, we have two smart locks on our doors, one in the garage that is right here in my office and the other one in the front door. And we got kind of like tired of constantly having to charge the battery, not charge, actually change the batteries. So we got this one, and I have to say that this is just so fantastic because what you can do is each one of those, it's kind of like have 4 of this. So we got 2 of these packs. So you always gonna get a spare set of 4 charging for you every single time they're going to be charged, because in this one is a charging case. So you're going to connect it right here with a USB-C cable. You know what? Instead of actually talking, I'm going to show you. So this is it. As I was telling you before, we have 2 of these cases that comes with 8, and each one of this is going to be actually 3000 milliamps, not 3600, 3000 milliamps. So you're going to put this right here. They come with the magnet. So you're going to have always 4 that they're going to be charging. So if you're using 8, you better get 2 of these cases like we did. But this is the most kind of like important thing. It has the USB-C right there, and it's gonna tell you when these ones are fully charged. Like this one is actually blinking green because these ones are gonna be charging, and then when you're done, you can just use them, and that's it. So easy. USB-C rechargeable, 3000 milliamps, 8 count, and for sure they're gonna be fast charging for you to use them every single time. Yeah, I do recommend this set over here.